Have your attention please. You must have the safety features to properly fasten your seatbelt on the flat end into the buckle. To unfasten, lift up on the buckle. Seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your hips. This aircraft can be equipped with 6 emergency exits, 2 forward doors, 2 over the wing, 2 at the rear of the aircraft. Location of each of these exits is marked with signs overhead and lights on the floor of the aisle. You'll find a safety information card in the seat back pocket in front of you. Please note that in the event of a water evacuation, you can use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Open the container and remove the pouch. Open the pouch, remove the vest, place it over your head and wrap the black strap around your waist. Once outside the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab to manually inflate low into the tube at your shoulder. As always, this will be a non-smoking flight. Smoking is never allowed in an aircraft lavatory. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with all lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions regarding seatbelts and smoking. Double check, please make sure your seatbelts are fastened, seatbacks and turntables are in their upright position, and all your portable electronic devices are in airplane or game mode only.